MG Rob back with you, and today we're back on the Jeep. Now if you remember, this one hole right here is partially stripped out, so I need to helicoil it. So I figured I'd just do a really quick video on putting a helicoil in. Alright, so this is actually a pretty simple process. First we got to start out by drilling that hole out to a 21/64. So I'm just going to stuff a rag in here to catch all the metal shavings, and then we'll drill it out. So the kit for the helicoils, of course there's many different brand names. Helicoil is just the original brand name. Comes with the correct size tap already in it. In this case, the handle that comes with the kit's not going to work because of that oil line in the way. So I got a different tap handle. And you just want to make sure you are tapping it pretty square here. Which that looks pretty square. And the thread repairs just look like this. The original brand was called a helicoils because basically it's just a coil, helical coil of a section that's the right pitch. It's not. It's kind of almost a diamond shape to work in the threads. And they come with a tool here. And the tool grabs a hold of this little tang to turn it in place, and you set this stop to where it's going to go just below the surface. Now some of the brands will say to use a thread locker on there. Some will say not to, or won't say anything about it. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of thread locker on there just to make sure it stays in place. I don't ever have problems with it wanting to come out. And then you just some reason that's the tap that came in the kit. Why doesn't it want to go in? Doesn't appear to be the right size. Maybe the tap fell out of the kit and another one got thrown in there by mistake. Well, I got two of these kits. I'll check the tap on the other one. Alright, I double checked it. It is the right tap. I just didn't quite have it lined up right. So now I got it already started in there. And you just run this down. Just took a little more pressure on than I was giving it there. And you run this down. So it's just below the surface. And then break the little tang off. And that's it. Helicoil's in. Ready to put the thermostat housing back on. So that was just a really quick video. This is MG Rob. Later.